Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSHIBA AT10 A, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So we have to start with opening the keyboard, for example in the notes, in the browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. So let me open it, and all we have to do is to tap on this kind of settings icon in the left lower corner. Now let's enter input languages, and as you can see, here we've got the option to use system language. So first of all, let's turn it off. And as you can see right now, we've got the second part of the list available. We've got English ticked, which simply means that it is currently applied. And basically all you have to do in order to add another language layout is to find it and then mark it. So let me pick maybe Arabic. Let's tap on it. As you can see, both are marked, so we should have two different languages added. Of course, if you want to have only one, so for example only Arabic, simply untick this option. But let me first of all check both languages, and as you can see, we've got a slight difference. So first of all, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So right now we've got English, and after tapping on it we've got the Arabic. So this is basically how to add the language to the keyboard. And as I said, if you want to have only one of them, let me go back to this list and basically untick the option which you don't want to have applied. So for example, in my case Arabic, because I want to left only English. After unticking, you can see that we do not have the globe icon and we cannot change the language right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.